Okay, we're going to mount that starter back on the snowblower. One of the first things I want to do is I've got some different screws to put back in there, but I'm going to put some Loctite on these just to kind of hold them in place, because there is a fair amount of vibration that happens and occurs with these things. So, get it lined up here. Bolt started here. I know some people use blue lock or red Loctite on these, but I'm going to just go with the blue for right now. Had trouble with this in the past, or we have. Nothing says that we can't have trouble with it again in the future. So we do want to be able to disassemble this if at all possible. Red Loctite makes it kind of tough to do. Started. These things do experience a lot of vibration and things as they're being operated and started, so it is good to make sure that that starter is where it needs to be. And so I, trying to find a kit for this to repair these is tough to do. Those gaskets are near impossible to find that I could see. So I did just go ahead and put some silicone gasket sealer around the meeting ends there. Make sure that they hold. And we'll put a little torque on these screws as best as we can. And then before I commit myself all the way, get everything battened up and may have to take it apart again, I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. This is off, so the snowblower shouldn't start, but let's see if that starter kicks in and engages. Sounds good. It's not throwing the breaker. It's spinning the engine over. I think we've accomplished our repair on this. I'll finish putting everything back together here, and we'll take a look at what we got accomplished at the end.